video I am going to explain hybrid inheritance. So hybrid inheritance is nothing but when we use more than one type of inheritance in a program, that is called as hybrid inheritance. In this example you can see we have used two type of inheritances. One is multi-level inheritance and the other is multiple inheritance. Observe student, test and result classes derivation using multi-level inheritance, and test, sports and result inheritance is a type of multiple inheritance. So here we have combined two types of inheritances, so it will become hybrid inheritance. One example, if you see, a student class here is a base class which we are defining now. In the student class, we have declared the data member's roll number, and the two member function we have, that those are get number and put number. And get number is a member function which is used to initialize the roll number, whereas put number is a member function which is used to display roll number value. And observe, from student base class we are deriving a class called test. Okay, so observe here test class definition. How we have written class test colon public student. The meaning of that is test is a derived class and we are deriving that class from the base class student using the visibility modifier public. So here we are using two data members, part 1 and part 2. So we are taking input for two data members, part 1, part 2, using the member function get marks. So two subjects marks we are taking as an input here, and put marks where we are displaying two subjects marks, part 1 and part 2. And observe here the one more base class we are having, that is sports. Sports class, that is a base class and independent class. We are not using any other base class to derive it. So the class definition goes like this: class sports, and the score of sports we are taking as an input. So two member functions we are using, get score and put score. In get score we are taking the input for the sports marks, and put score we are displaying the sports mark. And observe the last class, that is result. So result class is derived from two base classes, test and sports. So how the definition of result class will be? So result, class result colon public test comma public sports. Meaning is we are deriving the class result using the two base classes, test and sports, and we are calculating the total marks here and displaying the total marks. So observe the only one member function we are using, that is display, where we are calculating the total marks using the data members of the base classes, part 1 plus part 2 plus score, and put number, put marks and put score we have called inside display, because we have inherited this class. All the data member functions we are using there is available to that, and directly we can call those member functions inside display function. And total score mark we are displaying the value of total. And in main we are creating the object of only one class, that is result, because all the data members and member functions available in result class, because that is the child class where all the data members and member functions are available. And the member functions we are calling here using the object student1. Get number, get marks and get score will call the relevant member functions by supplying the values which we have used inside the function call. And ultimately it will display the total marks, roll number, marks and marks in sports. So this is an example for hybrid inheritance. and the output will be here. The roll number will be 1, 2, 3, 4. The marks obtained, part 1 will be 27.5 and 33.0. Sports marks will be 6 and total score will be 66.5. That is all about hybrid inheritance. Thank you.